luck. All right, so one problem is all we're gonna have time for. So here we go. So on page 43 of our notes, number 2 kind of gives you the formula and tells you what all those things mean. So now we're going to do a problem with it. Okay. So you do not have to memorize the formula. I do not have it memorized. Alright, so here we go. Hard-boiled egg at temperature 96 is placed in 16-degree water to cool. Alright, what is the 96? In terms of all that, that is T sub naught. That's the initial temperature of the object. So we're going to put the 96 right here. Alright, what's the 16? That's the temperature of the medium that you're stipulating. So this is 16. This is going to be 16. E to the negative. Okay. 4 minutes later. So T is going to be 4. The new temperature of the egg is 45. So right there is step 1. Does everybody understand why I put the numbers where I put them? Can we solve that equation for K? Can we figure out what K is?
Yeah.
Sure we can. We know how to do that. So we'll subtract 16, right? Subtract 16. What is that? 29. Keep an eye on my arithmetic. And then we'll subtract here, and that will be 80. Then what? I'm going to divide by 80, and I'm just going to leave it as a fraction for the time being. Take the natural log of both sides, which means this right here is gone. So the natural log of 29/80 is negative 4K. So K is going to be the natural log of 29/80 divided by negative 4. So do you have a K value? 0.25 something? All right, now, okay, I got that. I'm going to leave it on my calculator because that is not the answer. Use the log cooling to determine when the egg will be 20 degrees. So now I got to start all over, but this time the temperature at time T is going to be 20. Would you agree with that? Right? And I know that my medium is 16. I know that my initial temperature was 96. And this time, I'm trying to figure out T. Would you agree that's my question this time? What time? How long? Now, why didn't I just start with this equation? This is what I'm actually solving. Why didn't I start with this?
Because you need to know K.
Because I don't know K. So I had to start with this, figure out what my K is, and I'm just leaving it on my calculator. I'm not going to round it off and type it in and all that stuff. Now I'll solve this one for T. So I'll subtract the 16, get the 80, e to the negative KT. Divide by 80, you still with me? Now when I take the natural log of both sides now, I'll have the natural log of 4/80 equal to negative KT. Right? So what will I type into my calculator? Natural log 4 divided by 80 divided by negative, second answer. And what did you get? How long is it gonna take? 11.8 hours. Is that okay with everybody? Now, we're gonna start 3/6 very short, and not today, but soon. And this happens all the time in these word problems where you need to solve for something in order to get what you really are looking for. All right, that's Newton's law of cooling. That's how it works. You did absolutely great. Okay. Yes, you did everything here because